Sure is really especially beautiful out there today, huh? There's something about the air and just the way the sunshine...
What is this? Make money now?
Okay.
Turn $1 into 1,000,000.
Okay.
Wow. Call? Put? That's it? Easy.
Okay, here we go.
Red candle. Put. Wow. I will be rich. Success. Money. Beautiful life. Now I am expert. Put everything. If I will make 1,000,000 today, I spend it on hookers. Hookers? Hookers. Wait, what?
Bruh. Game over.
Oh, y'all, we're gonna be fine. I've always been here for you guys, and I always will be. Ha ha!
So welcome guys to another session trading binary option. In this session I'm trading on my client's account. I will try to turn this $10 into perhaps 900 or something. As always, using only the buy Nagito strategy. The buy Nagito strategy is one of the best strategies. Okay, it's one of the best strategies to trade binary option. This strategy will not turn you into a millionaire, but you can learn and become a good trader using our strategy. So you can learn the strategy from the course in the description below. If you can't afford the course, as always, we have a small competition for our subscribers. If you want to access the course for free, every week we give free access to one subscriber, and you can win the access simply by counting the numbers of the candles that will appear in the whole video, and tell us in the comments section how many candles appeared in the video, and we will choose randomly one subscriber per week and give him the access for free. For those who can't purchase the course, you can purchase it, learn the course. In the course there is 3 hours of explanation of the, let's take this win and then continue. 18. That's great. So in the course there's a full explanation of the buy Nagito strategy, all the indicators used, all the money management system used, how you can avoid losing decisions, how you can choose the right moment to open the trade, when to open the trade, how to choose, like for example, how to choose the perfect asset for, like this one. Yeah, Yes. Okay. So you can learn how to choose the assets. There's plenty of things on the course. You can follow the course, learn the course, and then yeah, start a career in trading binary option. For those who want us to trade in their accounts, for the moment we reach the maximum of numbers of the accounts. Unfortunately, there is there's a lot of demand on us trading. I can't trade for everybody, so I choose only few subscribers or few investors who want us to trade for them, and I trade for them for weeks, and that's it. I turn $10 into 900, 800, $600. They withdraw the money. I jump to another client, and that's it. That's all we can do. We can take more subscribers and more and more and more. So you can trade by yourself. It's up to you. Learn the course. Never use your real account. Just use a demo account at first, at the beginning. And once you master the strategy, yeah, then you can, and once you master the strategy, the advanced level of the binary strategy, and you are 100% sure that you are winning and you are going to win every trade, then we encourage you to start using real money. But if you're not 100%, please don't use your real money. Just use a demo account. Keep training, keep training, keep training. Once you are 100% that you are going to make a win every time you enter a trade, or at least avoid the losing decisions, we advise you guys to stick with demo account. Yep. See, we reached $58. Guys, let me tell you something. You will not be this good. I've been trading binary option for years now. I faced a lot of losses. It was hard. It wasn't easy. Yeah. It wasn't easy for me at the beginning. It was hard for me. So if you think that immediately after purchasing our course we become a successful trader, as you can see here, or it will turn you into a millionaire, sorry, please leave it there. Don't purchase our course. We don't need anybody who want to immediately become a millionaire to come and purchase our course and then come and complain why he didn't make $1 million in his first day. No, this is not the case. If you want to learn the binary strategy and want to make profit from the binary strategy, you need to spend a lot of time and practice a lot on your trading or demo account. You need to choose a good platform before you deposit your money. You will need to invest time and effort in order to master the binary strategy and start making some profit, not a lot of profit, some profit. So put that in mind. Yeah, 45. We started from $10, remember? Almost 7 minutes. See, last seconds, yes, as predicted, last second came back and we made a win. It was an uptrend, almost touched the resistance line, but we don't use in the binary strategy we not use a lot of technical analysis or fundamental analysis. We will play on the candlestick psychology, some price actions, and some technical analytics. So The strategy depends on the whole thing. Let's leave $3 over there. Sorry. Yep. Yeah, see? $1.6170. And now I can close the case or close the position, but I'm almost 100% sure that this one is a win. That's why I put everything. I left there only $3. That's like I'm 70 or 97% sure that this one is a win. I left $3 because I'm 3% sure that it's a loss. So do the math there and you will understand. Once you learn the binary strategy, guys, you will understand everything I'm doing here, why I'm doing everything like this. It won't be strange for you. It will be understandable. You will understand what I'm doing here, what I'm doing, and why I'm doing this. Yeah, let's do. All right, USD CAD. I don't like USD CAD a lot. Those days are is a lot of. See, no. Okay, let's look at Euro Pound. I don't like Euro Pound either, but let's take a risk. Sometimes I love taking risk, but I don't advise you guys to take any risk. Don't use emotions. Don't be patient. Wait for the perfect timing. Otherwise, you will lose money. And the most upsetting thing in trading is losing. Don't lose any money. You cannot miss a win. That's okay if you miss, but don't lose. Remember that. So for those who purchased our binary strategy course, if you have any questions, you can contact us on our website. Just contact us. We will answer your questions. We will be more than happy. Our team will be more than happy to answer your questions. And yeah, hope everybody is making good profit from our strategy. Learn risk management. Please learn risk management, money management, a good system to trade. Yes. Don't worry. We still have $27 there. We opened the trade with $300. We still have 6 seconds. Yeah. Yes. Almost a loss. It was almost, but it was a win. That's what I love about my strategy. I love the trust that I have on my strategy. You need to trust your strategy. Otherwise, you will lose your money. It will upset you. Let's choose. So I will keep trading until I reach $1,000, I guess. Once I reach $1,000, I will stop the trade. But I will stop talking or stop the vocals. I'm a little bit sick. Right.